Time to do a little harvesting, or at least a little searching to see what needs to be harvested. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed her baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. We're going to start with the tomatoes, which they're orange. I'm thinking they need to be a little darker, so I wonder if I should let them stay longer. See how these little cherry tomatoes are orange? But I think they could grow in a variety of colors. Definitely depends on when I'm going to pick them. I see green tomatoes in there. I see a red tomato over there. Well, it's not super duper red. I don't like to pick them too soon. And I still have a bunch in the house already. But I am going to make marinara again. Oh, see, like that bunch right there. I think those can go for another couple days, actually, though. Maybe I'll plan to do my eggplant parmesan tomorrow, and then I'll make sure to make the sauce tomorrow with them. And I'll pick those too. Well, because they don't look really ready, though. Look at it. There's still some green on there. I'm gonna let those go for a while. At least another week. Oh, and there's that melon. I wonder what's going on with that melon. This honeydew. Look at it. Looks good. Looks good. There's a little bit of a blemish. Oh, it looks like our... Mom, I think the lemon balm has spread. It looks bigger than it did before. Okay, so those tomatoes are getting... So I'm going to pick those tomatoes probably within a week. I think I might pick that honeydew. I think it's a honeydew. Shortly. So we got these tomatoes over here too. I want to have these peppers. Got some tomatoes in there. And then there is bell pepper over here. Oh, there's a few on there that I see. Look at. So I should consider those. Chili peppers. Consider those. And then we have cantaloupe. It's looking pretty good. Oh, that's very nice. It's a cantaloupe. It's very, very nice. And then we have more honeydew. I think that's honeydew anyway. I know it's a melon. So we have those, and we have this watermelon. Look at that yellow spot. I don't know what that means. Maybe yellow means sweet. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumpkins. 6 pumpkins. I'm actually gonna make a pumpkin stew. Tomatoes here. These tomatoes aren't necessarily ready just yet. All right. So we have a few things that are near harvest. Oh wait, I forgot about these eggplants. Eggplants, get your eggplants growing naturally out of the garden. Eggplants, it's delicious and it grows organically. Look at that one. That one's pretty looking like that. You want to take those to the front, right?
What?
Those containers for succulent gardeners? Well, because I had brought it up yesterday.
Huh?
I brought it up yesterday.
Hold on, we're getting some pumpkins, lady.
Harvest morning, 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 harvest morning.
Why do you sound like the Whoville?
Harvest morning, harvest morning, harvest morning, harvest morning, harvest morning. We're harvesting pumpkins because the rats are under attack.
Is that why? The rats are under attack. Is that why you harvesting pumpkins in August?
The rats are attacking.
I think it's because you planted them in August instead of in July when they would grow in October.
What? When did we plant these in August?
No, you're supposed to plant them.
Oh, in August. But I planted them in July?
You planted these in May. That's why we got August pumpkins.
A big one.
Yeah, look at that. They're so big. We're the only people in the world who got pumpkins.
Big. I had
Sure we are.
a small one.
You want a small pumpkin?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what we come out with.
Mama?
Yes. There's one.
No, there's no one.
Yeah, that's a pumpkin. David has it. See Uncle David with the pumpkin?
Grandma,
Come here. Come here.
There is no one.
Yeah, he's got one for you.
Where's
That
it?
looks like you. That looks like Lonnie.
That's not a big one. I don't know one.
I thought you wanted a little one. I thought you wanted small ones, not big ones.
Dang it.
Oh, those are nice looking pumpkins.
But what? My single foot.
I don't think this one's ready. It shows.
Yeah, it is pretty green.
See, Grandma, look.
Oh, you got a rock?
Yeah.
Well, I'll trade you a pumpkin for it.
A pumpkin?
Do you want pumpkin or do you want a rock?
I want a pumpkin.
All right, then, because you got to carry the pumpkin in the house for Uncle David.
All right. So we've got our pumpkins harvested this round. There's a lot of flowers on there, and there's some green ones starting.
Wow.
Woo! We're gonna have a lot of pumpkins again this year, like we did last. Oh! Pumpkin stew, pumpkin patties, pumpkin pie, pumpkins to the pig, pumpkins to the chickens. Oh, because pumpkin can be used as a dewormer.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.